In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it to access it. To go back to standard keyboard, click on this icon at the top left corner. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard, or click on Clipboard and paste it by clicking on it here. To pin one of your sentences, use this pin, click on your sentence, and tap on Done. To delete it or unpin it, click on firstly to unpin it, this pin again, and do exactly the same. And to get rid of it, just use pin icon instead of the pin one, tap on your sentence and select delete. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up and go back to your standard keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!